Hi friends, I'm back with my haul, and this time it's not a big bazaar haul, and I went to some other store in the past few months, and I'm sorry I didn't do a haul because my experience was very weird in both those places. So this time I have a haul from Spencer's and also some things that I bought from Lotus Herbals. So this time I have a haul from Spencer's and Lotus Herbals. And this is a bit of a birthday haul too, because I have got some things, so I wanted to show it to you. And one of that is this camera, which I'm trying to figure out how it works. If you know, and if you have some good tutorial which can help me use it, so please do tell me about it. And there is one more thing which I have got, is this water bottle, because it's getting hot and you need to carry a water bottle which is like of steel, specifically of steel, so that it doesn't smell and does not give bad chemicals to your body. And this one doesn't have the sleeve, so I'm planning to do a DIY sleeve of some sort, so I hope you will watch that video on my channel. And with that and a little bit of water, let's start with the haul. So first I'm going to show you the things that I have picked up for the giveaway winner. So this is what I had promised for my giveaway winner, so this is here. Then I think I had promised a scrub. I'm guessing if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but I guess I had promised a scrub. I didn't go back to that video. I will do that in a while. Then I also have, what else did I get? And the lipstick. I was supposed to give you this lipstick, my favorite lipstick. And then what else? I had to give you a face wash, right? I have to give you a face wash. I have to give you this. I had to give you this. And I had to give you this, and there's one more product, and which I have picked up is this Ultra Blends. This. So these are my giveaway gifts. So that's coming to you, my dear winner, very soon. Next I have this lipstick. I have shared a video on my Instagram, so if you're interested, this is a Eco Stay Long Lasting Lip Color SPF 20, and the name is Coral Candy. So I have shown this in my Instagram, on my Instagram page. You can check it out there. Then this is my old love, so I had to get it. Everyuth scrub. They have got a new packaging now. If you want, I can do a review about this on this channel, or maybe on my Hindi channel. So if you want any of these products to be reviewed, I might do it on my Hindi channel, and if you would say, I'll do it here. Then of course my favorite face wash again for me. Then I also picked up this Garnier Ultra Blends, and this one has henna in it, and I was very confused recently whether I should be buying something with henna. But then if you remember, last time I have done a review video about Garnier Ultra Blends green one, and that has henna, and I used it and I liked it. So this is a paraben free shampoo, and because that one has henna and it did not do anything wrong with my hair, so this time I picked this up. The color is so cute and pretty. I'm liking it. Let me show you. Actually, the bottle is so amazing to look at, and it smells amazing too, and I've been using it. Put it back in the bottle, in the container, to show you guys. So that's something. I don't know, something about things being in kits make me want to buy them a lot. And then I also picked this up. This is the new Nescafe thing, and it has some recipe booklet. I'm thinking about doing a video about these recipes. If you want, then tell me. I might try them out and do a video about these recipes. If you want to see, you may see it here. I hope the camera is focused enough. So that's that, and let me show you what's inside of it. It's getting hot, so I thought every time I buy cold coffee, this thing shakers. So this is black, but the quality is a bit inferior this time. And even the design is not on the container, it's on the bottle itself. I'm telling you not to buy things with plastic, and this is something for free. Maybe I'll do a DIY or store some of my makeup products or something different, in some jewelry maybe in this, so I might use it for that. And that's the coffee pouch here inside of it. Then coming to, then I also picked up this Tic Tac, and it's very tasty. Have you guys tried it? Mixed cherry and cola. I like it. It reminds me of some cola candy from childhood. I don't remember exactly which one, but it's very interesting taste, so I picked it up. There's something else that I picked up from Spencer's, and this is this dip for tortilla guacamole. I have heard so much about guacamole online. I picked it up and I hated it since day one. It didn't taste good and got bad in 3 days, and it's such a waste of money. And this was, I think it's made in, sometimes it says Netherlands, sometimes it says South Africa. So this is an imported product and I didn't like it. I had heard so much about guacamole. It's costing 250 rupees. I had heard so much about guacamole and I was not impressed about it. Then I bought 3 things from Shri Shri Ayurveda, and this is rose face wash. Okay, the rose face wash, and this one costs 60 rupees. And guys, this is what rose smells like. This is what actual rose smells like. So I am loving it, the product, especially because of its amazing smell. It's got amazing smell. Then the other product is this walnut scrub. It also costs 60 rupees, and I am, I'm very fond of the Everyuth scrub, but getting it from an Indian brand, I'm going to try it and see what's the comparison, and maybe I will do a versus video with these two. If you want that, do tell me. People hate me for doing those videos, versus videos, but I'm planning that. And then this face pack, I haven't yet used it, but I intend to use it soon. So that's that. And then I got this thing, Spencer's facial tissue packet. I forgot to get the other packet of facial tissues, which was not good or great. I don't know what's the quality. Let me open it and check it out. So this one has a transparent sheet here. Let's take out a tissue. How much does this cost? I'm sorry messing it up. So it costs around 75 rupees. I don't have that receipt to compare, but it's quite good. I have to keep the fan off for videos, and so this works. So with that, I'm coming to the Lotus Herbals. I already showed you 2 lipsticks that I've got from them, and I intended to buy the black, the green eyeliner from this company. I'm loving Lotus products these days, so I wanted the green one, and I just messed up somehow. I said to him I get the blue one, but I have got many blue dresses as this one, as you can see right now. So, and I have recently picked up my blue eyeshadow, so I'm happy. I'm going to use it, the blue eyeliner. So that is the most of the things. And the orange dress that I was wearing last time was from Sarojini Nagar, if you remember that. So guys, I have another video going to be up on my Hindi channel, which is more of jewelry related. So if you want to see those jewelries, please go ahead and watch that video on my Hindi channel. And I've picked up lots of more things, like I have this lamp here, I have to buy a selfie stick and all those kind of things, and I bought some saris. So those things I'm not showing because it's going to be a long haul. And besides these things, I had to talk about with you guys because I'm going to make future videos related to these things. So I hope you enjoyed this haul as much as I did talking to you guys. Hope to see you soon next time. God bless you. Bye bye.